Deb is my cousin, for those of you who didn't know. Our moms are sisters,
That's right.
We just look a little bit alike.
Just a little.
A little tiny bit, maybe. So we've got our new rustic rose, which I actually think is prettier than what we used to call a mauve, right? I think it's much prettier.
Yeah.
So this is one of our brand new colors, rustic rose. Let's see this matching ink. Of course, we have the matching ink pad. So pretty. We're going to use that in a little bit.
Then we have our tin pail.
Tin pail. Love this. We've been so much wanting that really warm, lovely, light gray. So we're so happy to add that to our collection. Tin pail. Awesome.
And then we have our chambray shirt.
Chambray shirt, because you can't have down on the farm without a chambray shirt, right?
No, everybody needs
kind of down in the country. Shirt. Love our chambray shirt.
Everybody's favorite.
Fresh sage. Okay, what else?
Haystack.
Haystack, so cute. So I kind of have to share a little funny about this one. Now, those of you who are true like farmers, or maybe you live in the Midwest where they actually really do have haystacks, someone informed me that true haystacks are kind of more green.
Green?
I was like, what?
Oh.
Every haystack I ever saw in like a little kid's book is definitely this pretty golden color.
I suppose when they harvest it, it's green.
And then it dries and it turns yellow?
Dries.
But we don't even really care because this color is so beautiful no matter what.
We love this color.
It's called haystack and we love it.
And our last one.
I have to admit, peaches and cream is my favorite.
You know,
why? I don't know why.
Do you remember what my kitchen looked like?
It was peach and blue?
That's right.
Okay, so now we have all those amazing pretty colors. Let's just quickly look at this. We are going to make a card, I promise.
We're going to get to it.
Deb is not actually she told me like I don't really make cards, but as she's worked for the past few years, she's gotten her hand in more and more. So don't let her fool you.
They've been dragging me into it.
She loves it. Okay, so let's look at our pattern papers. So here's all of our Good Life papers.
I will say I love this, really. I do.
These pattern papers are so fantastic.
Pretty.
Can't even imagine.
So pretty.
So we'll just quickly go through each of them. So there's a pretty floral here. So you get 4 of each. That's why there's so many, right? The back of that is, the classic ticking stripe. I want sheets out of that stripe. Would that be cute?
Well, maybe you'll find them now.
So this cute little, tiny little meadowy flower. So sweet and fun. And then the darling little gingham check.
Love that one.
Tiny, tiny check. Love that. Michelle Warner will like that. She likes all the tiny things.
She likes the teeny.
Okay, this gorgeous floral. Love this.
Love the colors.
With the haystack and all the yummies. The peach, like this is like got all the colors.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not the blue. Almost all the colors. So pretty. Ooh, I gotta show the back. Sorry. Love this one. We're gonna use this on the card today.
We're using this today. We are gonna get to the card made with this
Promise.
today.
So cute. This one I love. So this one is kind of reminiscent of like a old-fashioned tile. You know, almost like a tile backsplash or the old kitchen floor. Like maybe, no, our grandma had black and white checked floor. She didn't have this kind, but too bad because this would have been cute.
Yeah, that would have been cute.
And this darling little
you
wood
have
grain.
Your barnish look.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Cute little wood pattern. And then this one is, of course, almost just like the stamp we're going to show today. Oh, we'll show that in a minute. So cute. All the little critters. More barn on the back.
Yep.
So
cute.
fun. Oh, that was the wrong side. Sorry, we skipped one. I messed them up.
Blue gingham.
Let's go back to this one. Cute little animals. Chicken wire on the back. Perfect. And then our last little one, which is chambray shirt. Because you love that one, Deb. And then a nice little whitewash on the back.
Love it.
So love those. All those patterns. All those patterns come in one pack. Fronts, backs, 4 sheets of each.
It's really cute.
You guys have so much fun making projects.
Love that one.
Should we make a project?
I suppose.
You want to show them anything in the catalog yet?
No,
let's start with our project. Let's do it.
We better get started. We talk too much.
I think someone said, how long is this going to be? I'm like, 45 minutes or so. No,
people.
Just kidding.
Just hang around for a while.
So farmyard friends. That's hard to say too. Farmyard friends is the set we're going to be using. And does it have a matching die? You better believe it.
Bet.
So cute. So we're going to be using both of those today. And then this one's really fun. We kind of wanted to show this one off. So this is one of our brand new embossing folders. And it is called Barn Wall. I have one already embossed just to kind of show you. Because these are kind of hard sometimes to really tell what it looks like because of the green, right? So here it is pre-embossed. Isn't that yummy? So many of the coaches that we have, and a lot of our customers too out there in FSJ land, have been asking for a wood grain embossing folder. So we're very happy to say we now have a wood grain embossing folder. So much fun. And the scale and depth on this one is absolutely stunning. So we're going to use this one, which is super pretty just like that. But I'm going to have Deb help me kind of tweak it up a little bit.
All
This is a
Alrighty.
technique we learned from one of our designers, Michelle Warner, and she had a super fun way to just dress this up, even though, like I said, it's gorgeous like this already, even if you emboss it on oatmeal cookie or one of our browns. But right now it's whipped cream, and we're going to jazz it up. Should
All right. Step 1.
Take some of this ink and then just go
Okay.
straight directly to paper. We call this ink to paper, Deb.
This way.
No stamping between.
All
just
right.
kind of brush
Oatmeal
it on top.
cookie. We're on oatmeal cookie. All right. So just brush it along. Ooh.
Look at that! Right away, it just pops.
Wow. I can handle this one.
Exactly. See, we're gonna make card.
Super
We're gonna make you a
cute.
card maker yet.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Okay. Now just
Love
come with
it.
dark
Love
roast.
it, love it,
Maybe
love
not
it.
the whole thing, but kind of pick your areas and do one more layer of darker
Pick my
roast.
areas. All right. Let's see here.
No right or wrong. Just kind of
Just kind of give it
tweak
some.
it wherever. So now we have this gorgeous background, which is stunning, just like that, right?
is.
But we can always
Use
step
it
it up
just
a
like
notch.
that.
So I'm gonna grab our pineapple smoothie paint, and I'm gonna put a little blob here. But can you not put your arm in this blob? Hopefully. So we're gonna take one of our brushes and just do a dry brush effect. Go for it. Just
want me
dry
to do
brush
this?
on there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with our oatmeal cookie paint.
All right. Whoops.
Yeah, I just told you don't put it in there.
She just told me not to do that, people, and I did it. What'd I do? I did it.
We're the only ones allowed to yell at each other, you know,
That's
because
right.
we're cousins. So we could be like,
You
no,
can be like,
don't do
no,
it.
don't do that. All the way across, or
Just kind of wherever. Yeah, not covering the whole thing. Love it. A little bit more. Tiny
bit
bit
more?
more. Okay, so I'm going to take oatmeal cookie and just do basically the same thing. Just come on top with some, and I can go over the pineapple smoothie. Do one a little bit down here.
Cute.
Isn't that fun? Does that
Love
make
it.
it really look weathered? Like some of those barns where you're like, oh, that hasn't been painted in a few years. Or maybe it was painted and the paint's peeling off.
Totally gives it that weather
So
look.
fun, right? And you can use any color paints you want. So it doesn't have to be these two.
I think Michelle used Pool and
Yes, Michelle
it was
demoed this
gorgeous.
similar thing
It was
on
gorgeous.
stage at convention. She used a little bit of Cool Pool, and
Yeah.
yeah, I'm not sure what colors.
yeah, it
So
was
super pretty.
beautiful.
Anything you can imagine that the barn would be covered with. I'm just going to tweak this so we don't accidentally get our card in it.
What? We wouldn't do that.
That's like the
If we
expert
do
thing
that,
to do right there.
we would-
Oh my gosh.
So smash it right in there.
Okay, so that part is done.
Our
So I
background.
think that we should do some stamping, Deb.
All
Let's do
right.
some stamping.
That
I got to
you-
stamp
that I
these
can
little
do.
guys out because I just want to show you how pretty some of the new colors are.
Yeah. So I'll
So
do
Deb's
the,
gonna do
the
some
cow
stamping.
and chambray shirt.
Put it here just a little bit closer.
Oh,
so
that's right. Get in the.
Get in the frame here.
Yeah.
So yep, this is chambray shirt.
This is
I'm
all
gonna reach
new to
across.
me, you know. Gotta get in the
Chambray
camera.
shirt.
Cute.
Just give it a nice good smackaroni there. Yep. Oh my gosh, you guys look.
Love that.
Is he not adorable?
Look at that blue. It's gorgeous.
That blue is so gorgeous. Then you
So
cut him out with a
pretty.
matching die. and
The
then-
pig. We were doing
let's
the
do the
pig.
pig.
Haystack.
Yep.
Pigs are supposed
Let's
to
get
be
some of
pink,
our-
though.
Well, you could do him rose, but.
I'll do him haystack. Who's the creative
Haystack
person
matches
here?
our card.
I argued this point with her earlier. I'm like, pigs are pink.
But when you have stamps, you can make them any color you want. That's what's so exciting.
She's like, no, but do them in haystack. I'm like, haystack. Oh, poor piggy.
No, he's cute.
So now we're left with
You
the
can stamp
rooster.
another one pink. That's fine.
Okay, rooster.
Let's do the last
Do
one, the rooster. So this one's
Um,
haystack. I'm going to show you guys that one.
all
She
right.
gets her little rooster stamp.
So the rooster is going to be rustic
so
rose.
pretty. Yep, rustic rose, which is kind of a pink.
Here.
But the pig would be cute in bubblegum too.
It would.
Okay, last one. Woo.
There. Hey, drum roll. I got them all right.
Cute. Look at how cute our little animals are.
So cute.
So fun. So we're going to layer up this card with this embellishment pack. I just wanted to share with you real quick because it's not officially part of the Good Life collection, but it is super cute. And look
at
at
it
the
with
little lace and even the velvety and this little fun rustic-y jute type of trim.
Yeah, a little
That's what we used
burlappy
on
look.
these card, on the finished card. Should we show them
So
the finished
cute.
card? Ooh, what else is on it though? Look.
Ooh,
The matching
gems,
pearls.
little pearls.
So cute. So we have 2 packs of pearls. One of them features 3 of our colors, and the other one features, we should have brought the other one. The other features the other 3 brand new colors. So super fun. So let's swish this aside.
Okay, because wait till you guys see this
Show
card.
them the finished card. We have to get it away from our little
My
schmucky.
little schmucky. Our little mess.
Cover that with patterned paper.
Cute.
There you go. Such a good idea. So isn't that fun?
It's
So we've got
adorable.
the darling little die cut animals. One of the little sentiments from that set too. So let's pull this guy in again. So we've got the little life is good sentiment. And then we use a little piece of the pattern paper, the window pane check back there.
So easy just to add that little bit in.
Isn't that fun?
A little bit of pattern
Little
paper.
pearls.
Yeah.
This button is
So
one
cute.
of older ones from our collection, but it's absolutely perfect for that guy. So much fun.